The woodlands, grasslands and backyards of Canberra are teeming with bird life. Canberra is known as the bush capital for good reason, says local birder and photographer Tobias Hayashi. Many reserves within and around the city attract lots of wildlife. The annual Garden Bird Survey, running since 1981, has collected a treasure trove of observations for more than 200 species. For a bird-watching adventure close to the CBD, Tobias recommends Mount Ainslie. The grassy woodland around the base of Mount Ainslie, in particular Campbell Park, is probably one of the best and most easily accessible places to see a wide range of bush birds, he says. In spring, many species can be found busily building nests, only a few kilometers from the city center. The Australian National Botanic Gardens is another great spot to hang out with the local birds. Keep an eye out for two special residents. There is a very large resident population of superb fururans, which have been part of an ongoing study by researchers looking at the promiscuous sexual behaviors of these iconic birds, says Tobias. There are many satin bowerbirds around the gardens as well, and if you look closely you may find a bower, he adds. Further afield, keen Canberra twitchers flock to Canberra wetlands. According to Tobias, the wetlands support a great range of birds including many water birds and birds of prey. Rare birds from other states turn up at the wetlands too. For a wilderness birding experience, there's always Nomadji National Park, which makes up more than 40% of the act. In the wetter forests, you may find lyrebirds, rufous fantails and even the odd wanga pigeon, which has recently returned to the area after disappearing following the 2003 bushfires, says Tobias. Here are 20 Canberran residents you may encounter on your birding adventures.